Did you know that your morning routine sets the tone for your entire day? The way you start your morning can significantly impact your mood, productivity, and overall mental clarity. A clear and focused mind starts with how you spend your first hour after waking up. This initial hour is crucial because it sets the momentum for the rest of your day. Stick with me, and I'll show you the perfect morning routine to boost mental clarity and productivity. Whether you're looking to enhance your focus, reduce stress, or simply start your day on a positive note, this routine is designed to help you achieve all that and more. Welcome to today's video. I'm excited to guide you through these steps. In this guide, I'll share the ultimate morning routine to sharpen your focus, reduce stress, and enhance mental clarity. These practices are simple yet powerful, and they can be easily integrated into your daily life. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just looking to feel more grounded, these tips will transform your mornings. Imagine starting each day with a clear mind and a sense of purpose. Let's face it, chaotic mornings can leave you feeling stressed and distracted all day. When your morning is rushed and disorganized, it can be challenging to regain your focus and composure. Skipping breakfast, hitting snooze repeatedly, or starting your day on social media drains your energy and focus. These habits can set a negative tone for the rest of your day, making it harder to stay productive and positive. The good news? A few intentional habits can turn your mornings into a powerful foundation for mental clarity and productivity. By making small changes, you can create a morning routine that supports your mental and physical well-being. Here's a step-by-step morning routine designed for maximum mental clarity. Each step is carefully crafted to help you start your day with intention and focus. Wake up early, with purpose. Set your alarm for the same time each day and avoid hitting snooze. Waking up at a consistent time helps regulate your internal clock, making it easier to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. This consistency helps regulate your internal clock. Over time, your body will naturally adjust to this routine, making it easier to wake up without feeling groggy. Hydrate first thing. Drink a glass of water immediately to rehydrate your body and kickstart brain function. After several hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated, and drinking water first thing in the morning can help you feel more alert and energized. Practice mindfulness. Spend 5 to 10 minutes meditating, journaling, or practicing gratitude to clear your mind and set positive intentions. This practice can help you start your day with a calm and focused mindset. Move your body. Do light stretches, yoga, or a quick workout to release endorphins and improve focus. Physical activity in the morning can boost your mood and help you feel more awake and ready to tackle the day. Fuel your brain. Have a healthy breakfast rich in nutrients like oats, nuts, berries, or eggs to support mental clarity and energy. A nutritious breakfast provides the fuel your brain needs to function at its best. Plan your day. Use a planner or app to list 3 top priorities for the day. This helps you stay focused and organized, reducing the likelihood of feeling overwhelmed by your tasks. This keeps your focus sharp and avoids overwhelm. By having a clear plan, you can approach your day with confidence and clarity. If there's one habit to prioritize, it's practicing mindfulness. Taking a few moments each morning to center yourself can have a profound impact on your mental state throughout the day. A few minutes of meditation or journaling each morning can reduce mental clutter, lower stress, and improve focus throughout your day. This simple practice can help you feel more grounded and present. It's a game changer for mental clarity. Incorporating mindfulness into your morning routine can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. To recap, creating the perfect morning routine involves waking up with purpose, hydrating, practicing mindfulness, moving your body, eating a brain-boosting breakfast, and planning your day. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in enhancing your mental clarity and overall well-being. Small, consistent habits lead to big transformations. By making these practices a part of your daily routine, you can experience significant improvements in your mental and physical health. What does your morning routine look like? I'd love to hear about the practices that help you start your day on the right foot. Share your tips in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others to create their own perfect morning routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and check out our other videos to create your healthiest, happiest life. Thank you for watching, and here's to starting your mornings with clarity and purpose.